this screen is where we're going to start setting our safe area, where the machine can actually sew. All right, so we're going to move our machine, okay, because we want to give it enough sewing area. This is why you will actually make your backing and batting wider and longer than your quilt top, so that you can sew off the edges of your quilt onto the batting. And if it wasn't, then you wouldn't have enough room for you to sew off to make it an edge-to-edge design. So we're going to set our safe area by moving our machine to the left, off 2 inches onto the batting, and back as far as it can go. And notice I want it to be up and off the corner of my quilt because I want to give it enough room. Now, your backing and batting may not be as wide, so you might have to set it in just a little bit, okay? But we want to make sure that we're giving it enough room that as we're rolling our quilt, we don't run out of our safe area. So notice I'm just moving, and I'm going to tap on my screen right here where it says, move the needle at least 2 inches up and to the left of the top left edges of your quilt top. That's what I did, up and off the top left edges. Your needle should be positioned over the batting, and that's what it is. And then I'll tap on the image. This is the image on the screen that I'm tapping on. All right, so let's set our right side. All right, it says move the needle all the way forward, okay? So I'm moving the needle of the machine all the way forward, okay? And we're going to move it across our quilt to the right, off the edge, right edge of the quilt at least 2 inches. And we're going to tap on the image on the screen. We've set our safe area. Easy peasy. Now we're ready to choose our design.